Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today we will prepare something delicious, tiny and beautiful, and it's Minnie Cupcakes. This cupcake that we will prepare reminded me of when I was a child that Minnie was beautiful and sweet. Prepare these cupcakes that are very easy to use on birthdays or give to someone very special. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. So let's prepare them. The ingredients that you are going to use are box cake. I bought it at the supermarket, but you can prepare your own mix. A cup of milk, 3 eggs, 3/4 of stick of butter, sugar gummies, the one I got is in the shape of a heart, Oreo cookies, white sprinkles, you can use colors, and it is also in the shape of a heart, a cone, and finally frosting of the color pink with the pastry tip number 22. We add the flour, add the milk, add the butter and beat. Now we add the eggs one by one. And we beat for 1 minute until they are mixed well. Now we pour the mixture into the sandwich bag and cut the tip and pour the mixture into the cones. We fill it up to half the cone. Now we will put the cones on a baking sheet for about 25 minutes. For the decoration, we will frost the cupcake as if it were an ice cream. We put the cookies and the sugar gummies to make the bow very beautiful, and the white sprinkle to give it a very special touch. And how was this mini cupcake? Super! Remember to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell so that you can receive the notification of new videos. See you in the next video.